Okay guys, so I am here with my Shark Rotator professional liftway, and I am at my grandma's house again. So I'm going to vacuum that area in the kitchen, over there, and over there. Oh, and underneath the table. Over there, in the living room. Over there, underneath the chair. Over there. And then I also will be vacuuming this room, the hallway here, the bathroom, the other bedroom, and this bedroom. So please enjoy. And I'm actually going to start in the kitchen, and I'm going to use the canister. So hold on, let me get that up or ready. I mean, and this is like so easy, it's you do it with one hand. Oops. Okay, there we go. We're going to do the kitchen first. And here we go. I'm actually going to do this rug too with this. And then I will use the under appliance. And then I'm going to use the under appliance one. After I'm done vacuuming, I will make another video of going underneath the fridge. Or, yeah, the fridge and then the stove here. Right now I'm just moving these chairs and picking up this item. So, here we go. We're going to convert back to upright. So, here we go. You don't have to turn the vacuum off or nothing. Open it, just puts in there like so. And then we're ready to rock and roll. So here we go. And I love how this one grooms the carpet. I don't know how well you guys can see that. Oh, yeah, you guys can see it pretty good. Okay, so I'm done with the rooms I was going to do. And I skipped on the bathroom because there was some dirty clothes in there, so. And this is the dirt I just got. So, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.